Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy. Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to be doing a fourth unboxing this week. And this is these Enzo Bonafe 2475s. They're on the 74-945 last, same size as my other Enzos. And here we go. So like the other Enzos, has a cool shoehorn. Nice shoe bags, very similar to Alden in material. And then what do we have here? Okay, so sienna hatch grain with Vibram soles. Okay, you got the split toe. You've got the soles, and there you go. So what do you think? Is this what you were thinking? I'm very happy. The hatch grain is cool. The way Enzo Bonafe does the split toe, I like very much. That apron right there is something else. Very happy with that. And this is my first hand-welted rubber-soled shoe.